For a program to thrive, faculty and students must have dedicated facilities, adequate materials, and up-to-date equipment. The program equipment does not necessarily have to be cutting edge. That can be unduly expensive, but it should not be older than the previous generation of equipment. Exemplary programs have instructional facilities that emulate the work environment in look and feel, so students become accustomed to the type of setting they will be working in and can transition more easily into an internship or other field experience when the time comes. For example, a college's automotive training facility will resemble that of a dealership service shop, providing students with industry-grade lifts, tools, and high-tech diagnostic equipment. And in healthcare programs, students may be required to wear uniforms worn by working professionals in their respective fields.